Wow. Wow, Batman Hoover boy. What you guys done here?
Done this.
Let's see this.
And Daddy, you want to do that? Might be stepping on some. Look, spider! Guys, look, a spider!
Where's the spider?
Look, on that side.
Oh no!
We better hoover this all up before the spider eats it.
What do you think, Azaria? Uzi, should we hoover this all up? This is a big mess now. Go on, Hoover boy. Go get your Henry Hoover.
Look, it says Henry Hoover. Look, it says Henry Hoover.
Oh, where's Hetty?
Where's Hetty Hoover?
Hetty's over there, look.
Hetty, I'm coming to save you. Theodore, let me go. A tractor.
Do that line first, Uzi.
Wait, I'll pick some up for you and you take it out of my hand. No. I don't want that. I want to mess up with a Henry Hoover.
Oh no, you messed it all up. Uzi's supposed to suck that up. Go on, Uzi. Stand up.
Oh, there's car. That's all the feels up.
Oh. Guys, look at him. He sucked himself out.
Yeah.
Go on, Uzi.
Banana ducking. I want it upstairs.
I got a game we can play.
What?
Look, how about we do this, yeah? Azaria, the Hoover's on right now.
Yeah.
Uzi, you go on that side.
What?
Azaria, you come on this side.
Okay.
Yeah? We're going to see how far the Henry can suck up from, yeah? Yeah, so look, he's on suction right now, yeah? So if you slide it across, will it suck it up, yes or no? Let's see how powerful he is. Oh. So Azaria, you try to roll one of those beads and let's see if you can get inside Henry's mouth. Or Uzi, you try. Oh, shot! What a shot! Take some more beads. No, Zara, you cheated. You have to go back. Go back, both of you. Go all the way back. Wait. Alright, Uzi, you slide one then. No, both of you missed. Missed. Oh, Zara got a few in. Go on, Zaria. Oh, you missed. You missed. You missed all of them, Zaria. Good shot. Oh look, there's a lot over here by the sofa though.
Henry,
How many have you got there?
I think There's like 10.
Wow, there's more than 10 there. Alright, Uzi. Point the Henry upwards. Uzi, point the Henry upwards. I want to drop some into it and see how good they go. Oh. Finish them all up. Azaria, it's too much for Henry. Why don't you go get the attachment with the stick so he can do it up quicker? Do you know where it is?
What for you, baby Henry?
Where is baby Henry?
Why don't we use this, Henry?
Oh, but that doesn't have a motor on him.
Don't worry. Look, we took it.
Let Azaria suck him up. Zaria, you suck up the Hoover now. Let's see how fast you can do it. Zaria, look, it's a rusty old sock.
No.
Wow, what happened there?
There's a okay now.
Some behind you.
And
A
then
few,
there's some behind me.
few bits and bobs. I want all of them cleaned up. Some over there.
Oh yeah.
Zaria, the last one. I see 2 left. Can you find the 2? You know where they are, Zaria?
Huh?
There's 2 left.
They're not 2. There were 3.
Wow. Good job, Zaria. It's all done now. Thanks, Batman.
Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye. Bye, little bye.